guys, we're in Rainforest Cafe.
Eli, what restaurant are we at?
Rainforest Cafe.
What is your favorite animal in the Rainforest Cafe right here? What is it?
The leopard.
Oh, the leopard.
Cabin.
All right. What is your favorite animal in the rainforest?
There's too many good animals. I don't actually know.
There's gorillas, monkeys, tigers.
There's a chameleon.
That chameleon.
The chameleon.
What's it, Eli? It's a sunset. What are you filming? Hurry up, Storm. Please go away. Should we go down or up? We're going to walk around the garden area. It looks a lot like a rainforest. Wow. That is a wonderful surprise. Let's go this way. Me. That's cool. How it's coming out of the dragon's mouth. Guys, look at all those lights. Can we throw a coin in there? We're going to Carvel Ice Cream. I want the last one. Good. I want want vanilla.
Or they have a cup or cocoa.
Vanilla cappuccino.
That cupcake. You're getting a vanilla or a milkshake with,
Which one do you like? You want the regular?
you can have the regular.
Okay.
M&M,
So M&M cartilage.
that's his.
Okay, here.
Vanilla in the cup.
Uh-huh.
Then I need to make that 2 hot.
2 hot cups of it.
This is Auntie Annie's. There's some like sugared, salted. I don't know what that's sugared pretzels. And mini pretzel dogs over there. Just got my ice cream.